If you want to learn how to use green screen on CapCut, then this video will show you how step by step. Alright, let's use this video as an example. So to remove the green screen so that we can change or add a different background, here's how to do it. First, you click on the video with the green screen, and then you go to the right side, you click on cut out. Then you will see Chroma key, click on this. You're going to see color picker. There's this little pen. Click on it, and then you go to your video, and then you choose the color that you want to remove. So we want to remove the green screen, so I'm just going to click on the green color like this. So now we want to increase the strength to remove the green screen. So if I just increase it like this, you see that the green screen will be slowly removed. So now we want to add or change the background. So let's use this background as an example. So I'm going to add this background to this video like this. And let's just extend it throughout the video. So now here you can see the background is actually covering the person. So to fix this, you can just bring the video on top like this. Just click and hold, bring it up. And here you can see she's on top of the background. So now we can pull this down like this. So now if I play the video, you can see that we have removed the green screen and we have added or changed to a different background. Now sometimes you may need to do a little bit of adjustment to make it look cleaner. So if you click on the video again, you can just play around with the strength. So you can start off with 0 and then you just slowly increase it until it looks good. So sometimes if you just increase the strength by too much, it can look very weird. So just slowly increase it and play around with it. And if you want to, you can also add a shadow effect. And now if you want to add any kind of green screen overlay like this, maybe you want to get people to subscribe or any kind of green screen effect you want to add to your videos, here's how to do it. Just click and hold, and then you bring it down to your video. So now let me just play, and you can see we have this subscribe button that pops out. Now again, we need to remove the green screen. So we need to click on the video, go to cut out, click on Chroma key, pick the color that you want to remove. So let's just go here, click on the pen, choose the color that you want to remove, and we'll just slowly increase the strength until we don't see the green color. And now when I play the video, you can see that we have added the green screen overlay to our video.